Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. The pair is GBPJPY. Let's check the date and time first. Okay, let's refresh. Currently it is 2:23 p.m. Saturday, 8th of August 2026 in EST. Now it's Saturday today, so I will be probably taking this trade on Monday morning. So whenever the market opens on Monday, I will enter long on GBPJPY and 4 hour, and my take profit is going to be this black line, as you can see, and we can take maybe 150 pips easily in this trade. Okay, so we're gonna go long in GBPJPY, and it's quite just a clear. This was your support. Okay, this was your like last low, then we made a new high and lower low, and we have to go and make a new high. So enough 150 180 pips easily in this GBPJPY. It's all about wait maybe 1 week and we should get there. I don't take guarantees of time. Maybe 4 days take profit hit, maybe 3 days TP will be hit, maybe 1 week, maybe 2 weeks. Okay, depending on the pairs. But anyways, my analysis is right. That's all. That is what matters. Your analysis has to be right. So I'll enter maybe probably on Monday when the market opens, and this is my take profit. And I'll come back and record the take profit video when that happens. Till then, subscribe, like, and share, and join the program Swing Like a Pro if you want these trades yourself before they happen. Help yourself, otherwise nobody else can. I can only help you when you come and join the program. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with a take profit video, GBPJPY. So let's check the date and time right here. Refresh it, and currently it is 1:32 p.m. Monday, 10th of August 2026 in EST. Coming back to the chart here. I have no idea when did I enter the trade. I don't really care about it. Okay, what I care about is the money right here, which you see. GBPJPY, we entered long at 212.71. We were out at 214.57. We made around 186 pips in this trade. How much? 186 pips in this GBPJPY. Entry at 212.71. Long entry. Exit at 214.57. 186 pips in GBPJPY. And then these are more trades. I have recorded the videos for these ones as well. You can go and watch on my channel. And that's it. Numbers speak for themselves. So we entered somewhere here on this candle maybe, and we took this move. I told you, go back to the beginning of this video. I told you what's gonna happen. I told you that we have left the support from here. There is no downtrend anymore, and this is a short-term uptrend. I told you, I guess, I don't remember, but when I say long, it means long. Okay, so we have touched our take profit black line. And if you want to help yourself, then join the program Swing Like a Pro so that you can get these trades yourself. Otherwise, I'll just make these videos for fun. I don't have to make these videos, but I think I just make it for fun. Okay, so if you are in your senses, go and join the program if you want to make serious money in trading. Otherwise, you can just keep saying that everybody's a scammer. So good luck with your bullshit. People like, those people who think everybody's a scammer or everything is a lie. Fuck yourself. Who cares, right? Don't you fucking see the money here? Don't you? Are you blind? Are you fucking blind? Idiots. Those people are idiots. Anyway, so if you want this, then help yourself. If you don't help yourself, nobody else will. Okay? How can you help yourself? Join the program, Swing Like a Pro. Then we'll discuss inside the program how you can get these trades yourself. Okay, anyways. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.